Is hummus beneficial for heart health? Cardiovascular diseases, CVDs, remain a leading cause of death worldwide, accounting for approximately 17.9 million lives annually, which is about 32% of all global deaths, according to the World Health Organization, WHO. In the United States alone, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, reports that one person dies every 34 seconds from cardiovascular disease. Given these statistics, understanding the impact of various foods on heart health is crucial. One such food that has gained popularity for its potential health benefits is hummus. This video explores whether hummus is beneficial for heart health. Nutritional profile of hummus. Hummus, a Middle Eastern dip made from chickpeas, tahini, olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, and salt, provides numerous nutrients in a typical 2-tablespoon, 30-gram serving. It contains 70 to 80 calories, 2 grams of protein, 5 grams of fat, including 1 gram of saturated fat, 4 grams of carbohydrates, and 2 grams of fiber. Additionally, it offers 1% of the daily value, DV for vitamin E and vitamin C, 8% for folate, and 4% for iron. Hummus is also rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, thanks to its wholesome ingredients. Benefits of hummus for cardiovascular health. 1. Rich in healthy fats. Hummus is primarily made with olive oil and tahini, both of which are rich in monounsaturated fats. These fats are known to lower bad cholesterol levels, LDL, and increase good cholesterol levels, HDL, which helps reduce the risk of heart disease. The Mediterranean diet, which is high in monounsaturated fats from olive oil, has been associated with a lower incidence of cardiovascular events. 2. High fiber content. Chickpeas, the main ingredient in hummus, are a significant source of dietary fiber. Fiber helps reduce blood cholesterol levels by binding to cholesterol in the digestive system and preventing its absorption. High fiber intake is associated with a reduced risk of heart disease, as it helps manage blood pressure, reduces inflammation, and improves overall heart health. 3. Plant-based protein. Hummus provides a good amount of plant-based protein, which is beneficial for heart health. Plant-based proteins have been shown to lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease compared to animal proteins. Diets high in plant proteins are linked to better heart health outcomes. 4. Low glycemic index. Hummus has a low glycemic index, meaning it causes a slower and steadier rise in blood sugar levels. This can help maintain stable blood sugar and insulin levels, reducing the risk of developing diabetes, which is a significant risk factor for heart disease. 5. Anti-inflammatory properties. The ingredients in hummus, such as olive oil, garlic, and lemon juice, have anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is a key factor in the development of cardiovascular diseases. Antioxidants in hummus, like vitamin C and vitamin E, also help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, further protecting the heart. 6. Blood pressure regulation. The presence of potassium in hummus helps balance sodium levels in the body, which can regulate blood pressure. High sodium levels are linked to hypertension, a major risk factor for heart disease. Consuming foods rich in potassium can help counteract the effects of sodium and lower blood pressure. Potential risks and considerations. While hummus offers numerous heart health benefits, it's essential to consume it in moderation and be mindful of its ingredients. Some commercially prepared hummus varieties may contain high levels of sodium, preservatives, and unhealthy oils. Opting for homemade hummus or carefully reading labels to choose brands with minimal added ingredients is advisable. Additionally, portion control is important, as hummus can be calorie-dense. Pairing hummus with fresh vegetables rather than high-calorie chips or bread can help maintain a heart-healthy diet. Hummus is a heart-healthy food that offers numerous benefits due to its rich content of healthy fats, fiber, plant-based protein, and anti-inflammatory compounds. Its ingredients, such as chickpeas, olive oil, and tahini, contribute to lowering cholesterol levels, reducing blood pressure, and preventing chronic inflammation. As part of a balanced diet, hummus can support cardiovascular health and reduce the risk of heart disease. However, it's crucial to choose or prepare hummus with healthy ingredients and consume it in moderation to fully reap its benefits. Consulting with a healthcare professional for personalized dietary advice is always recommended. If you found the content valuable, kindly subscribe to the channel for more updates.